Today is Black Friday. Both a bunch of electronics for Black Friday, but let's focus on the useful one. Okay, let's choose 5 the best. For example, this number 1, and this number 2, this number 3, this, and finally number 5. Here are 5 modules every electronics hobbyist should have. Let's check them out. Hello everybody, welcome to new Tec Pro channel. Let's introduce number 1, Bluetooth MP3 decoder board. This module lets you play music from USB or SD card, and it has a Bluetooth too. You can see here Bluetooth and Bluetooth receiver here. Great for DIY audio project. I made a full tutorial before. Click the link above to watch. Number 2, DC 100V 10A voltmeter ammeter. This shows voltage and current at the same time. Perfect for testing power supplies or battery packs. I make this voltmeter ammeter portable before. You can see this video in new Tec Pro channel to make this. I explained how to wire it in another video. Link is up here. Number 3, TP4056 lithium battery charger module. Use this to charge lithium batteries safely. I showed how to use it step by step. Check the link above here. Before introduce number 4 and number 5, please subscribe new Tec Pro channel, and don't forget, for buy this module you can see link by in description. Let's go to introduce number 4. In Black Friday I buying this number 4 DC buck converter 3A step down voltage. For example, from 12 volt to 5 volt DC for Arduino or ESP32. I tested in a previous video. Check the link to see. Number 5, DC boost converter 3A. This boosts voltage. You can go from 5 volt to 12 volt or even 24 volt. Useful for powering sensors or motors. I made a demo with this. Link is above.